Today we'll be making a flavorful roasted vegetable salad with a delicious cranberry dressing just in time for the holidays. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. We'll kick things off with butternut squash. They'll roast up beautifully and add a lovely sweetness to our salad. I found this convenient 10-ounce bag of pre-cut cubes at my local grocery store, which saves on time. Next, we're adding sweet potatoes. You can also find them pre-cut, but today I'm cutting my own. First, we'll peel them. Sweet potatoes can be a bit tricky to cut because they're quite firm, but here's a fantastic tip I received from one of my viewers. Pop them in the microwave for a few minutes to slightly soften them. I did 3 minutes, but I feel 1 minute is all they need. It really makes a difference. Such a great tip. Cut them in half, then in fourths to get bite-sized pieces. Brussel sprouts add a wonderful flavor and texture to the salad. Start by trimming the ends and remove any loose or discolored leaves, then cut in half. The cut sides will caramelize beautifully. Next, let's add some delicious bacon to our roasted vegetable salad. I've got 9 strips here. I'm cutting them into small bite-sized pieces. You can certainly cook the bacon in a pan first to add it later, which gives a nice crispy texture. But when I'm strapped for time, I love the shortcut by adding the raw bacon directly to the sheet pan. As it roasts, it'll cook perfectly alongside the veggies, infusing them with that amazing smoky flavor. So let's sprinkle these bacon pieces right over our vibrant mix. Now it's time to season our veggies. I'm going to drizzle some avocado oil over the mixture, which adds a lovely richness and helps everything roast beautifully. Next, I'll season with salt and pepper, just a pinch since we have the bacon adding some saltiness already. To elevate the flavor even more, I'm adding minced garlic, thyme, and rosemary. The herbs will add a wonderful aroma and depth to our salad. Now it's time to get our hands in there. I'll mix everything together thoroughly to ensure every piece is coated in oil and seasoning. Once done, we'll pop this vibrant mix into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, then broil for another 2 minutes. While they roast, we can start on our cranberry glaze dressing. We'll start by heating a pot over a medium-high heat and adding in 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries. Next, I'm adding 3 cups of water to the pot. To sweeten things up, we'll start with 1/4 cup of sugar. We can always add more later if we need it. I'm also adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a bit of tang. Then I'll squeeze in the juice of half an orange. But before you do, zest half of the orange to add even more flavor to your dressing. Now we'll let this cook for a few minutes until the cranberries burst and soften. It will smell amazing, guys. Let's give it a quick taste test. I like mine a little sweeter, so I'm adding another 1/4 cup of sugar. Remember, you can adjust the sweetness to your liking. Once that's mixed in, we'll continue cooking for about another minute before straining the mixture. Now we'll pour the strained liquid back into the pot. I'm just leaving a little bit in the bowl to make a slurry. For that, I'll add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and mix until it's fully dissolved. Once dissolved, we'll add the slurry to the pot. This will help thicken our glaze just a bit. Let's mix it for a minute or 2 until it thickens slightly, and voila! Our cranberry glaze dressing is ready to go. My roasted veggies are out of the oven and they look fantastic. I love to top mine with crumbled queso fresco, but feta cheese works just as well if you prefer that flavor. It adds a lovely creaminess that complements the veggies perfectly. Next, I'm sprinkling on some dried cranberries for an extra burst of sweetness and texture. Finally, we'll drizzle our homemade cranberry glaze dressing all over the top. This adds a gorgeous shine and a delicious tangy flavor that ties everything together. And there you have it. This roasted vegetable salad is not only vibrant and colorful, but also packed with flavor. It makes the perfect side dish for any meal. Be sure to give it a try and let me know how you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me by liking, sharing with friends, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Stay delicious and happy cooking.